Have you ever wondered why you feel exhausted despite sleeping enough? The secret isn't just in the hours you sleep, but in what is on your plate. Today, we are not just cooking a meal, we are redesigning your brain's future through three fundamental pillars of neuro-nutrition for peak mental performance and longevity. The gut-brain axis is the hidden highway of your health. By feeding your gut correctly, you are essentially supercharging your brain's ability to focus and process. In just 15 minutes, I will show you how to assemble a plate that acts as a biological shield against aging and mental fatigue for everyone. Welcome to the science of longevity. Let us begin this transformation by understanding the first essential pillar that keeps your cognitive functions running at their very best. We start with smart fats. Did you know that your brain is actually 60% fat? To function properly, it requires high-quality fuel from your daily diet. When you consume omega-3 from salmon and monounsaturated fats from avocado, you are directly repairing the delicate membranes of your nervous system for faster thinking speeds. Walnuts are another powerhouse, providing the essential nutrients needed to maintain the integrity of your neurons and protect them from daily stress and cognitive decline. These healthy fats act like high-speed internet cables for your neurons, ensuring that signals move quickly and efficiently, keeping your mind sharp throughout the entire day. Investing in these fats is like upgrading your brain's hardware. You will notice the difference in your clarity and your ability to solve complex problems effortlessly. A perfectly cooked piece of salmon is more than just a delicious dinner. It's a concentrated dose of brain-boosting molecules that nourish your gray matter. By prioritizing these smart fats, you are essentially insulating your brain against the fog of aging and ensuring a high level of performance for many years. Moving to our second pillar, cellular antioxidants. Think of these as a protective shield that guards your brain against the invisible threats of biological oxidation.
Free radicals are the primary enemies of concentration. They cause cellular rust that slows you down, but nature provides us with the perfect antidote in berries. Polyphenols found in dark leafy greens and vibrant berries act like tiny soldiers, sweeping away fatigue and protecting your neural pathways from harmful environmental stressors. This biological protection is crucial for maintaining mental stamina. It allows you to work longer and harder without the typical afternoon crash that many people experience. By mixing these colorful ingredients, you are creating a symphony of nutrients that work together to optimize your internal environment for maximum cognitive output and health. Even a simple squeeze of lemon adds vital vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of other nutrients, making your longevity plate even more effective for your body. Each leaf is packed with folate and vitamin K, which are essential for brain health and have been linked to slower cognitive decline in aging adults. The more colors you add to your plate, the wider the range of antioxidants you provide to your cells, ensuring every part of your brain is protected. Now we reach the third pillar, blood sugar stability. This is the ultimate key to maintaining consistent focus and avoiding those frustrating energy dips during work. Don't let your energy crash at 3 p.m. By choosing complex carbohydrates, you provide your brain with a slow, steady stream of glucose instead of spikes. Quinoa and sweet potatoes are perfect examples of slow-burn fuel. They keep your mind engaged and your body satisfied for hours without any sudden exhaustion. Next, we add a secret weapon, fermented foods. Kimchi or sauerkraut provide probiotics that nourish your microbiome, which is often called your second brain. A healthy gut communicates directly with your brain. Probiotics help regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin, which impacts your mood and your ability to make clear decisions. Adding just a small amount of fermented food to your daily plate can drastically improve your digestion and consequently your mental clarity and overall energy levels. When your gut is in balance, your brain is in balance. You'll find it easier to stay calm under pressure and maintain focus during your longest tasks. This is the art of assembly. We are bringing all three pillars together to create a masterpiece of nutrition that takes only 15 minutes to prepare. Time is precious, but so is your health. You don't need to be a professional chef to master this. You just need to understand these basic rules. Watch how quickly this comes together. We layer our fiber-rich greens as the base, followed by our slow-burning carbs to provide that essential long-term energy. Then we add our smart fats. These creamy avocado slices and the rich salmon provide the texture and the essential nutrients your brain is literally craving. The final touch of crunch and sweetness from the nuts and berries adds the antioxidant punch that keeps your cells young and your mind incredibly sharp. A simple dressing ties everything together, making the meal as delicious as it is functional. You are literally holding a prescription for a better brain. Look at this plate. It is vibrant, balanced, and scientifically designed to help you live a longer, more productive life with every single bite you take. The aroma alone is enough to stimulate your senses. When you eat food that you know is good for you, the psychological benefits are just as powerful. Now it's time to experience the results. Eating for longevity is a choice we make every day, and it starts with this very first delicious meal. You can feel the energy returning. This isn't just about survival, it's about thriving and reaching your highest potential through the power of real, whole foods. Remember our 3 pillars: smart fats for structure, antioxidants for protection, and blood sugar stability for consistent energy throughout your busy, demanding workday. These simple ingredients are your allies. By keeping them in your kitchen, you're always just 15 minutes away from a complete mental and physical reset. Health is not a far-off destination, it is a journey built on the foundation of every plate you prepare and every choice you make today. Imagine your workdays filled with clarity and your evenings filled with energy. This is the reality when you align your diet with your biology. Taste the quality. Feel the difference. Your brain deserves the very best fuel you can provide, and now you have the tools to give it. Start your journey toward a younger brain and a healthier gut today. I promise you, your body will thank you for this incredible nutritional gift.
Eat for performance. Eat for longevity. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen. May your meals be delicious and your mind stay forever sharp. Nature often gives us clues about what our body needs. Feed your brain what it's made of and watch your life transform in amazing ways. Hydration is the silent partner to this plate. Together, they ensure that every nutrient is delivered exactly where it needs to go for maximum effect. You can even prepare this in advance. Success in health comes from preparation and making the right choice the easiest choice for your busy lifestyle. No matter your age, it is never too late or too early to start investing in your cognitive longevity. Your future self will be so grateful. The closer we stay to nature, the better our bodies perform. These whole foods are the most complex and effective medicine we have available to us. Take this knowledge and make it your own. Experiment with different colors and flavors, but always keep those 3 core pillars in your mind. Simple habits lead to profound changes. A little bit of fermented food every day can revolutionize your internal health and your external mental performance. Fuel your day with intention. Every ingredient on this plate was chosen for a specific purpose to help you reach your highest mental and physical potential. Your health is your greatest wealth. Protecting your brain is the best investment you will ever make for your career and your personal life overall. I hope this inspires you to take 15 minutes today to do something incredible for yourself. You truly deserve to feel this good every day. Join our community of health-conscious individuals. Let us learn together how to optimize our lives through the incredible power of neuro-nutrition and science. Thank you for watching. Remember, a better life starts with a better plate. I will see you in the next episode for more longevity secrets. Little details make the biggest difference. Every small choice adds up to a lifetime of health and mental clarity. Start small, but start today. Smart fats, cellular antioxidants, stable blood sugar. These are your keys to a sharp mind and a resilient body that lasts a very long time. The journey continues. Keep feeding your brain the nutrients it needs to shine. Your potential is limitless when you have the right foundation. Wishing you health, focus, and a long life filled with vitality. This is the Longevity Plate. Until next time, eat well and stay sharp.
Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel today to stay updated with useful knowledge that helps you take better care of your health and protect your loved ones. A little knowledge each day can help you live healthier, feel more secure, and stay proactive about your well-being. Follow now so you don't miss out on valuable insights.